The Cool Walkers by Elizabeth Ventura. I chose sea stars or asteroidea to talk about today. Sea stars are of the phylum Echinodermata. They are very interesting creatures due to the way that they walk, feed, and regenerate. In this presentation, I will be talking about these traits as well as the habitat, the way the sea star acquires food, their evolved traits and phylogeny, their predator-prey relationship, and the effect they have on the ecology. The habitat of the sea star is all over the world. They can survive and thrive in both tropical waters as well as cold waters. They live on ocean floors where they are able to walk and feed. The way that they acquire their food is different from most other animals. They can expel a part of their stomach outwards to capture food. Sea stars are carnivorous with a ventral mouth and a dorsal anus. They also have tube feet that open up to bivalves. Some of the most important evolved traits of the sea stars are their water vascular system, their tube feet, ossicles, and the way that they can regenerate. The water vascular system is a canal system that is used to propel the feet of the star. The tube is also used for feeding and respiration. The tube feet go along with the water vascular system. The feet are used for locomotion and feeding along with the vascular system. There are ossicles under the tube feet that provide protection and rigidity. One of the most special traits of the sea star is the fact that they can regenerate either partially or either completely. To completely regenerate, they must go through asexual reproduction. The phylum Echinoderms are most closely related to that of chordates. They are both deuterostomes. Deuterostomes are most closely related to protostomes in that they are both bilaterians. The difference, however, between protostomes and deuterostomes is that deuterostomes have a blastopore that becomes the anus, and protostomes have a blastopore that becomes the mouth. The predators of the sea stars are crabs, lobsters, bottom-dwelling fish, seagulls, and other sea stars. The prey of the sea stars are bivalves, barnacles, and mollusks. There is one major pro and one major con to the ecological importance of the sea star. The positive impact that they have is that they keep the spiny bristle stars from overpopulating the waters, while the negative impact that they have is that they feed on filter feeders that humans rely on to clean water. Thank y'all for listening to this presentation today on sea stars. I hope y'all enjoyed it and learned a little something from it. And these are the 4 sources that were used to provide the information for this presentation. Thanks and gig 'em.